morning, guys. Come on in to our dream home.
What's going on, guys? It's Duke. You haven't seen me in a while. I just want to give you guys an update on what's going on. I'm on my way home from work. It's a long drive, really long drive. I just purchased a new house, so our new house is a good distance. It's a good distance, but it's a great area, great neighborhood, you know, for my family. So we're really excited about that. We're doing a lot of renovations. We've been renovating for the past month or more, and we tore up the floors and redid the stairs. You know, we had that brown wood. You know, when you first buy a house, it's that regular brown. The stairs was great, it looked good, but it was just that regular brown wood. So we tore that up, and not tore it up. We re-stained it, sanded, and painted it. I'll show you guys. It looks really nice. Good morning. Good morning. Ava, what's going on? Oopsie. 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 What's going on? Good morning. How's it going? How's it going? Come on, look at me. Hey. So this is the house, guys. Let me show you. Let me start off at the bottom. I'm gonna go down to the bottom and good morning, Aberdeen. Good morning. Aberdeen's doing her homeschooling, online schooling. This is our basement, right? Nice and cozy. There's the lights. This is where we started. We started with the carpet here. I don't even know how to turn on the light right here. Hold on one second. Where's the switch for this light? I don't even know. Hold on. So, I think it's the switch right here. Yeah. Hey! So this is where we started with the renovation. So we painted all the walls and we did the carpet, and I installed, with the help of my wife, this light fixture right here. I installed it, you know, learning to be a handyman. So this is the front of the house. You guys don't need to see that. This is the garage. This is the garage. And then coming up, we did all of the floors. We did all of the flooring in the kitchen, and new appliances. And the stairs is the biggest. We changed the light fixtures here. We changed this. Ava, what are you doing? You're not coming? There's people that want to talk to you, you know. This is our view. This is one of the best things here. We're gonna have to move this eventually, because right now we just have this little chilling. When Ava was pregnant, we got this so she can just rock and, you know. But there's gonna be a table here eventually. And yeah, we usually put Econ's what is this thing called again? Jolly Jumper. We usually put Econ's Jolly Jumper right beside the window. Let me get this open. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. That's a view. That's a view. You know, you're probably gonna in the future build some houses there and so on. But for now, especially when it's snowing. You know, you can see a little bit of snow on the ground. But yeah, this is the place. This is the place. And you remember this painting, if you've seen it before. This is a painting that I did for a birthday present for my wife a few years ago. Right? And what's going on over? Wow! Wow! Look at you! No, well, I thought you had on clothes. Well, yeah, this was a present for her a few years ago. This is my wife, Ava, and yeah, I'm taking them on a tour of the house. Let them see. Okay, well, you should have had on clothes. What time is it now in the morning? You don't have on clothes.
How is it starting my week?
You should have on clothes. You should have on clothes at 9. What is it? 9.
I'm trying to start my week. And when you have a baby,
9:17 in the morning, and you
Yes.
don't have on a wig, and you don't have on a.
But when you have a baby, you don't get to do things every time on time.
Anyways, so are you gonna continue the tour with me? You don't have to be on camera. You can be behind the camera. Right? I'm just showing them the house. Just showing them the house. Turn on the light for upstairs. Where's the upstairs light? There you go. Just walk them through, Abba.
Come on up. You're not telling them.
They don't need to know the name of the guy that did the stairs.
Of course, you have to
The
tell
guy?
them and
No.
let them know so that our schedule is student.
First of all, it's not his business. He was just working there.
Okay, so
Anyways,
let us give them the story about the steps. Right?
there's a story?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the story? What's the story?
Before we got this house,
Yeah, this was all brown. We'll put up pictures and show them. This is all that regular wood.
brown,
Yeah,
and before all the other houses that we went to look at,
yeah,
I was in love with the stairs.
yeah.
Like the stairs have the same contrast, you know,
Yeah.
the white and the gray.
Mm-hmm.
So we said we have to do our stairs like this.
Yeah.
But the guy wanted to do here dark.
Let me get a picture with the stairs because the stairs is nice. Look at that. All right, so let's just go upstairs now. We're gonna show you guys what upstairs look like. This is how the steps look. So nice, right? We're gonna put up the side by side of the old one. Hey, 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 hey! Come on, come on. Calm down, right? So.
So our staircase is gray and
It doesn't
white.
look like gray on camera though. It looks like it's black, but it's actually a dark gray.
It looks like black.
Yeah.
Stairs guy, he did a perfect job. Nice.
Hey!
And the funniest thing about this stairs, the
Yeah.
other houses that we went to look at,
Yeah.
I was obsessed with those stairs. And at first, when I saw this one, I didn't like it at first because it had the open,
Yeah, floating stairs.
the floating stairs. But then I'm like, wow.
Yeah, we did.
This is nice.
I was on the floating stairs from the start because you know this is like regular stairs. It has the little back,
Yeah. So
but now she understands that this is actually really nice.
yeah.
So we have we changed the light fixture there, right?
Got this from Home Depot.
Yeah.
The one that came couldn't fit.
Yeah, I bought something that was so big, right? We had to return it. We bought one off Wayfair. We bought a bunch of them off Wayfair, and this other website. This one was from that other website. I don't want to say the name wrong, but yeah, we can Google that. Maybe put it in the description or something. But this is the view, right? This is what it looks like, right? This is our room. What are you doing over?
Come on in. That's where the magic happens.
Yes, this is where all the magic happens.
We're still sleeping on the floor.
Yeah, I'm still sleeping on the floor.
Come to your closet.
This is my closet,
This is his closet.
right? You know, this is from my grandma who passed away like 2 months ago. This is from her casket. Each corner of the casket has a little piece that you can take off, and this
Did your father
is
get
one corner.
too?
Everyone got one, you know. This is from our wedding there. Yeah, so let's continue. Over here is our washroom, our personal washroom, right?
That's what you call it?
No, I think it's called a privilege. When you have two access,
Yeah.
you can access it from this side and access it also from this side. So you can access our own washroom from both the hallway and our room, and going upstairs to the kids' rooms and their washroom. Right? We put in this light, like I said, and yeah. So we have our own washroom here, our own shower.
Standing showers here.
Yeah, we got our own shower here.
Standing showers here. Inside, further on, we might change this to a different.
Yeah, we haven't done any renovations in the washroom yet, right? We haven't done anything in the washroom yet, so because we focused on the stuff that needs attention right away. You know, like the light fixtures, all those were old. The flooring was the same flooring throughout the whole house, as you can see. This is all carpet, right? This is all carpet. This light really love. This is Abba's closet.
Somewhat of a French door.
Yeah. This is,
So these are my little things. Not much going on here.
Yeah. This is Abba's stuff.
And right here is the linen closet.
This is the linen
Don't
closet.
have any towels packed as yet. Just random stuff.
Not much going on in here. This is the kids' washroom.
This is Spoopsy and Shan's washroom.
Mm-hmm.
As Spoopsy get older, right now it looks girly, but as he get older, I'll design it different, you know?
Yeah.
But for now, he doesn't understand what's going on.
Yeah.
So this is a really nice big room. I'm planning to put a border around here, change some light fixtures, and but this is how it is for now. Got lots of drawers, lots of space.
And this is our daughter Shan's bedroom. I didn't get to put together. It's a bunk bed, but I didn't put together.
Well, I lost the screw, but no, I found it back.
Yeah, she lost the screw, so I didn't put it together because we didn't have the screws. But she found it now, so we can.
We're gonna put this bed over Econ's. Poopsie. We're gonna put this bed over Poopsie's room and give Shan a bigger bed.
Yeah, our babies, because eventually this bed is gonna become too small for a daughter. And who wants to pull it apart and go move it over to the next room?
It's a really nice size room.
Yeah, I can see it's a really big room. I don't know if it picks up on camera.
It's big too.
Yeah. I'll go from this side.
Really nice size.
Yeah, they got a huge size.
The closet doors that were here, we took all of them off because they look old, so we're gonna do new ones, but not now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You should turn the lights on and go in.
And come on into Poopsie's room. Just have it, just have it square. We haven't bought any furniture or anything like that.
Yeah, like I said,
really nice size.
Place is empty. The stairs guys just finished. The flooring guys. This is the view.
We got so many
This every room there's a nice view. You know.
Welcome to Poopsie walk-in closet.
We got the security camera up there, and this is where Poopsie sleeps.
Poopsie got his own walk-in closet.
Yeah.
That's his little shirts and socks and and stuff.
Yeah. So this is our home, and this is where we are.
This is our dream home, guys.
Yeah. This is what we've been working towards.
Not seeing each other every day.
Yeah, we've made a lot of sacrifices. You guys haven't seen me. Trust me, she hasn't seen me either. Because I've been working.
Day in, day out.
Day in, day out. So yeah. We took a lot of effort because they didn't even want to put in this baseboard to follow along. But Ava forced them to, and look how good it turned out. Right? Anyways, I want you guys to keep watching us. We're gonna have more videos coming, right? More videos coming. Right. We're back. It might look like it's a different day, right? Because Poopsie changed, and Ava even changed into a different towel. Oh my God! Yes, a while ago. I was about to say yesterday. This was literally half an hour ago. Let me turn around this. How do you turn around this camera? Anyways, he literally just pooed the same place you saw him jump in a while ago. He pooed in the Jolly Jumper. Jumped all that time he was screaming. Oh my God, maybe it's even in the video. All the time he was screaming, it was poo running down his pants, running down his on his feet, stomping. He had socks on, stomping in the. Anyways, it was a big operation. It was a big operation, right, Poopsie? Yeah, I was like, help, help! I thought she hurt herself or something. But yeah, so he's all showered and all the poo is cleaned up. Ava has changed into another towel. Yeah, another towel. She had to throw that other one because, you know, poo debris must have been on that one. And the Jolly Jumper, you can see we disposed of. That needs to, we run it in hot water, but that needs to be cleaned properly. So back to the vlog. This is the little resting spot in the couch. So this is where the table's gonna go. But hold on. Hey, Poopsie, Poopsie. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, this is a little resting spot that we like to chill at. Hold on. But yeah, I wanna thank you guys for just watching and coming along the journey. Hopefully we can be more consistent. You know, that's the goal. But you know, things is crazy. But Ava,
the honest truth is,
yeah,
I need to learn how to vlog and
she needs to learn to
vlogs and
hold on. Is it zoomed in? Yeah. She needs to learn.
edit and stuff.
She needs to learn how to edit and vlog
So I'm really
to help me, you know, to help me with the videos.
I'm trying.
But Ava,
Yeah.
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah.
The coach is coming today, I know.
No, it's not. No, it's not the couch.
You're not telling me anyway.
What kind of surprise is that? That's an expensive surprise. I can't give you that. Hold on. I'm gonna go get it. Okay? I'm gonna go get it.
And the coach.
No! How am I gonna get the couch? I'm gonna go get the surprise. It's upstairs. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, alright. Close this door. Alright. This is Ava's money. Alright. This is hey. This is not for you. This is the last piece for the Whoa, oh my god. Okay, this is not working. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna go give. Alright. This is not really hers. This is for the delivery guy. But I'm gonna pretend like it's hers. Alright, let's go downstairs and give it to mommy. Ava, this is for you. I just need you to read it. This is for you.
What could that be?
Huh?
What could that be?
Huh? Go over there. This is for you. Take it out.
Funny.
Take it out.
What?
Take it out.
Why am I getting money?
What do you mean? Good girl to get things.
What?
Yeah, count it up. It's all there. I don't know what you're counting. Like I owe you something.
1,300?
What do you mean 13? No, it's supposed to be 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
It's supposed to be 15.
But what's this money for? Why am I getting money?
Is there one more in there?
No.
What? You're counting it wrong.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You just
13,
skipped
14.
2. I just saw 2 skip a while ago.
Really?
Who are you trying to rob me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
See, you just did it
12,
again.
13, 14, 15. You're
Alright, okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Alright, that's for you.
For what?
That's for you. What do you mean? We're gonna go out later. I want you to spend some money.
Really?
Yeah.
So I get all of this money just to spend?
Yeah, that's all for you.
And you just got
I
this
guarantee you
house?
today, you're gonna spend all of that. By the end of today, you're not gonna have $1 left.
I know.
Okay?
I think my mom, I know what she's gonna spend it on.
What is she?
Casey
Kids?
and Pop.
Oh my, it's the truth. But she's on a clean. Let me show you. But she's on a healthy journey. Aberdeen, hold the baby, hold the baby. Oh, she's on a healthy journey. Look at it. She blended her green juice yesterday.
Green juice.
She's on a healthy journey, right? That's cucumber and some kind of.
And I have my steamed cabbage
You know?
here. A little bit.
All right, she got her ingredients or whatever.
Yeah.
But
baby,
yeah, tonight,
where do I get all
today,
this money?
today we're spending all of that. All right.
So I can
I just want to thank you for all of the hours I'm working and the sacrifice. Anything you want. All right. So what are you gonna buy?
I don't know yet. Maybe some shop for the house.
All right, all right. Later on, when we figure out what she's gonna buy, go KFC.
KFC.
$1,000, $1,500 worth of KFCs. Wow.
Some stuff for the house.
All right, all right. All right, guys. We'll talk to you in a second. He wanted this couch that was sequenced and it looked very nice, right? It was like blue and gray. And we argued and went back and forth and discussed it, and then we decided to not get it. But that's the one that she wanted.
No, I am in shock
So-
right now. I'm so shocked. If I need to get it, I'll get it.
How did you go from I want the sequence one to the one with the buttons to all of a sudden you don't want it to go?
That's why I take time to realize, okay, the Ashley one is a long-lasting thing, and that's why I said, okay, let's get Ashley one.
Anyways, I just got a phone call and the guy said they're 30 minutes away.
Oh my God,
The guy said he's 30 minutes away if everything is ready. Okay? So he said just clear the area and their people are gonna come in, just don't make anything inside the road. I'm sorry, Abba. But
I don't want that one.
So wait.
I never cry. I don't want that one.
So you
don't want it.
are you serious?
I'm serious. You said me say you get the Ashley one, you got the Ashley one nice. You said, okay, it's for comfort. When the family come, they can sit properly and they say, yes, that's a good idea. I know you don't.
Honestly, Abba?
Please don't tell me that again. You feel I never
No,
cried.
I feel bad now. I feel bad now because I thought that I was giving you a surprise.
I hadn't told mommy nothing. Nothing.
Visualize how it's gonna look and how it's gonna feel.
This is the biggest disappointment. She don't even
You're
want.
joking, right?
I'm
I know
joking?
you're joking.
No.
I know it's the Ashley one coming.
No, I swear on my life, the Ashley furniture is not the one.
Oh my God, man. No,
I
man.
can't tell her a single thing.
I'm just joking.
Oh!
I'm just joking. It's not the Ashley furniture. I'm just joking. It's not Ashley furniture. It's not Ashley furniture. It's not no sequence. It's a table that you wanted.
What?
The
Here we
table.
are again.
The table is coming.
I haven't told mommy nothing.
I would be so mad if
The
you
table.
get that sequence
The table.
one.
Remember the gray table? The glass.
The one that you said was really expensive.
With the
glass
chrome.
one.
Yeah, very expensive. That's coming in 30 minutes.
So you have so much stuff dealing with that, you still get that. I said that was
I
one
still
away.
wanted to get that for you. It's the last thing.
Every second you said the last thing.
At least I can have one of them.
When did daddy tell you today?
Yeah, I have to tell her. I can't tell her anything. See? I can't tell you anything.
She didn't tell me anything.
Yeah, but look, from I said I wanted to talk to you, she's dancing around. Oh my god.
But I thought something bad happened because you're like acting like you're crying. I thought something
Anyways,
bad happened.
so guys, this table is gonna be going right over here.
Oh yeah, and I'm
This,
gonna eat
it's
on
gonna-
it.
it looks
You're
kind
not
of.
eating on my table. You're eating
This is not a table for the kids.
This is for
This is not one of those tables that kids eat from. This is not a table where we every day we eat from. This is one of those tables that nobody don't go there. All right? Because this table is super nice. Anyways, they're gonna be here in like 20 something minutes, and then I'll show you guys. They're gonna bring it right here.
I didn't tell mommy nothing. I was just waiting for
Oh man,
the
you broke the
surprise.
you broke the surprise.
I was just dancing ready for the surprise.
All right.
I would be so mad. I'm telling you, I would be pissed if you had gotten that one.
All right.
I really like the Ashley one.
All right. Do me a favor, can I borrow 1,500?
Sure, I'll have it here ready for you.
Thank you. All right. The table's here.
this, and you can flip it. So this is the bottom, okay? So this is the base, and the middle part. Oh, this is the base. Okay. Yeah. So this is the.
Okay, so my surprise was a failure. They brought the table and didn't bring the top for the table. So we have the chairs. Not the top, the glass, because the glass that sits on top of this. Yeah, so everything came except the glass.
No, as much as you didn't get your sweet because of this.
Sorry, Abba. Sorry, Abba.
It's okay, still be surprised. I just wanted to see what it looks like. But
Yeah.
I like that the color, the chair is great, and I was worried.
Yeah, I'm gonna put one of the chairs together before I go. But anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. The video ended with failure, but we're gonna put one of the chairs together and show you guys. Anyways, we'll see it in the next video. No, next video. I'm gonna go sleep now. Yeah, she's on a healthy thing. She's on a healthy thing right now. Cabbage and.
You're gonna be on the healthy journey too.
Me too. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Somebody can get the sweet.